Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove your subscription from other channel. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment and go. So what you need to do is scroll down here to subscriptions and we'll choose channel which you want unsubscribe. So for example this. And now to remove subscription from this channel you need to click on subscribe, and here you have option like unsubscribe. Now you click on it. Okay, and second option is I choose one of the videos in Creator YouTube, and now you here click on subscribe and you here have, and you did it. Okay, so it's all in this tutorial. So are only two methods how to subscribe. So you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time. Thanks.